Hello friends, let's have the discuss of NTATPC NEET test number 41। टेस्ट स्टार्ट करने से पहले मैं आप लोगों को बता देना चाहता हूँ, प्लीज़ जिन लोगों ने अभी तक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करिए और लाइक करिए। तो बात करते हैं यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट की। द रेगुलेशन ऑफ ऑस्मोटिक एक्सपांशन ऑफ अ सेल केप्ट इन वाटर इज डन बाय वैक्यूल्स। एवरीबडी आर नो अबाउट फॉर वैक्यूल्स। वैक्यूल्स इज फाउंड in animal cell or a plant cell, but plant cell have larger vacuole than animal cell. Question number second. The defining property of all living organisms, which is most obvious and technically complicated, is consciousness. Consciousness, I think metabolism. No, okay, only for consciousness. Question number three. PCR proceeds in three distinct steps governed by temperatures. They are in the order of denaturation, annealing, and synthesis or extension। NCERT में दिया हुआ है। Question 4. Neutrophils are considered as cellular barrier. Question 5. What is the probability of either a male or a female child in each pregnancy? Only 50%. 50% means 1 by 2. Question number 6. Why is RNA not a better genetic materials? Genetic not better genetic material. Okay. Option first. It is chemically and structurally unstable. It is able to generate the replica. Okay. फिर टू पोजिशंस पे हाइड्रोक्साइड ग्रुप present at every nucleotide in RNA as an additional moiety which makes RNA labile and easily degradable। जो ऑप्शन नंबर सेकेंड है उसको छोड़कर बाकी ए एंड सी आर आल्सो करेक्ट बट बी इज नॉट अ करेक्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7। Moiety means multiple evolutions embryo transfer program is used for hair improvement for all herd all for the following animals except okay Gallus domesticus को छोड़ के this is not given in NCERT। Question number 8. Biofertilizers need to replace chemicals oblique synthetic fertilizers are as the latter are source of environmental pollutions are expensive exhaust the valuable energy resources for their manufacturers। Question number 9. Which of the following statements is incorrect about the biogeographical evidences of evolutions? All the present day continents were in the form of a single big landmass called Pangea। और फिर ऑप्शन नंबर बी ओरिएंटल एंड पैलेक्ट्रिक realms are separated by Wallace line. This is not correct। Question number second 10. A giant rat is formed in the laboratory. What is the reasons for gene manipulations? Because there are lots of experiment are ex- expen- experimented by experimented on mice। Question number 11. A contamination indicator surviving in highly polluted water bodies with low dead organism is Tubifex. Tubifex, also called as bloodworms, is a member of class Oligochaeta of phylum Annelida. It is used as water quality indicator because of its ability to tolerate low oxygen conditions, the presence of heavy metals, and other environmental conditions। Question number 12. In all sexually reproducing organisms, which is the first cells of the new generations for zygote? Question 13. The menstrual cycles are suspended and no contraceptive device may be used for a period up to 6 months in a female after delivery due to high prolactin level. This natural method of contraception is called a lactational amenorrhea। Question 14. Functions of filiform apparatus is to guide the entry of pollen tube in embryo sac. Question number 15. Incorrect. Choose करना है. Pyramids of energy and yearly biomass productions can never be inverted since this would violate the laws of thermodynamics. This is correct. Pyramids of a standing crop and numbers can be inverted since the number of organisms at a time does not indicate the amount of energy flowing through the systems. Okay, this is correct. There are certain limitations of the ecological pyramid, such as they do not take into account the same species belonging to two or more tropics level. फिर option number 4, saprotrophs are not given any place in ecological pyramids even though they play a vital role in the ecosystems. And all of these are correct, not any incorrect. Question number 16. Who gave Rivet Popper hypothesis? Paul Ehrlich. Question number 17. This is diet given in NCERT diagram. जो ए दिया है, ए सर्विक्स को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है, उसके बाद जो बी रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है वेजाइना को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है, जो सी रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है यूटेरस को, और जो डी दिया है यूरिनरी ब्लैडर्स को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है, और जो ई दिया है क्लाइटोरिस को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है, और एफ दिया है वेजाइनल ओरिफाइस को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 18. लेंटी सेल्स एंड इट्स कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री सेल्स आर डेवलप्ड बाय द एक्टिविटी ऑफ फेलोजेन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 19. A cellular component which resembles eukaryotic cells in eubacteria is plasma membrane. Question number 20. This is direct given in NCERT diagram. जो ए नंबर दिया है ये रीनल कॉलम को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है, और जो बी दिया है कॉर्टेक्स को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है, और बात करते हैं सी मेडुला को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है, और डी ई दिया है यूरेटर को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है, और डी की बात करते हैं तो पेल्विस को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है. बात करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 21 की. हाउ मेनी ऑफ द फॉलोइंग बोन्स बिलोंग टू एक्सियल स्केलेटन सिस्टम्स. ओके, अल्ना, टिबिया और इशियम और फॉल्स रिप्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 22. ऑल द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ edible underground not for false rib is that ulna, ischium and tibia. All are examples of edible underground taproot except sweet potato. Question 23. Dense irregular connective tissue has fibroblast and many fibers, mostly collagens, that are oriented differently and is present in skin. Question 24. Which of the following is not a major organ of lymphatic system? Kidney, spleen, thymus, lymph nodes are lymphatic organs, but kidney are not lymphatic organs. Question 25. Algae and fungi are characterized by the possessions of metospores. Question number 26. In plant, oxygen synthesis with high concentrations occurs in shoot tip. Question number 27. Select the mismatch. Gas vacuoles, green bacteria cells, okay. Protist, eukaryotes, methanogens, prokaryotes, large central vacuoles found in animal cells, no. This is plant cell. Question number 28. In a controlled experiment of photosynthesis, CO2 supply is suddenly withheld. Which of the following will accumulate in the plant cell? Ribulose by diphosphate. Question number 29. Resource partitioning lead to coexistence among competing species. I think increase competition. ये भी I think okay. Question number 30. Plants that have mutualistic relations with nitrogen fixing bacteria receives ammonium. Question number 31. The contractions of internal intercostal muscles in humans causes forced expirations. Question number 32. Which one of the following gives highest energy in metabolic process? Fats. Question number 33. Pair of synapsed chromosomes is called tetrad and bivalent. Question number 34. Which is an organs affected in jaundice liver? Question number 35. Metameric segmented lateral appendages and longitudinal and circular muscles for locomotion is related with which animals? Nares. Question 36. During synaptic transmissions of nerve impulse, neurotransmitter P acetylcholine, okay, is released from the synaptic vesicle by the actions of Q. Q for calcium ion. Question number 37. Which one of the following hormones through synthesized elsewhere is stored and released by the master's gland? Antidiuretic hormones. Question number 38. Respiratory substrate in which less CO2 released as compared to oxygen consumption during respirations is protein. Question number 39. The special characteristics of bile juice is that it has no enzyme. Question number 40. Husband is PTC testers and wife is PTC non-tester. Their son is tester but daughters are non-tester. This is not a sex-linked trait. Which pedigree is appropriate? Option number first is correct. Question number 41. Which of the following is the most significant aspects of human evolutions? Increased brain size. Australopithecus 600 cc, Homo habilis 650 to 800 cc, फिर Homo erectus 800 to 1000 cc, Homo sapiens neanderthalensis 1400 cc, Homo sapiens fossils 1600 cc, Homo sapiens sapiens 1450 cc. This is important question. Question of 42. Select the correct arrangement of the types of ultraviolet radiations according to the intensity of their effect on human skin. Ultraviolet B is more effective, फिर ultraviolet C, फिर ultraviolet A, यानी कि BCA. Okay, wow, this is interesting trick for BCA. फिर क्वेश्चन ऑफ 43. What about the following claims explaining Plasmodium's life cycle is correct? The parasite reproduces asexually in RBC and causes hemolysis and fever. This question is also asking in NEET 2020 and there are lots of times. Question of 43. What about the following claims explaining Plasmodium's life cycle is correct? Okay, the parasite reproduces asexually in RBC and causes hemolysis and fever. Question of 44. EP blast in monocot embryo is considered as rudimentary cotyledon. Question of 45. Which of the following secretes HCG after 1 week of fertilizations? Syncytiotrophoblasts. Question of 46. The book Genera Plantarum was written by Bentham and Hooker in 1737. Question of 47. An example of edible underground stem is potato. Question of 48. What type of plant are generally found in the above stage of Hydrosphere nymphia? Question of 49. The fat body of cockroach is comprised of trophocytes, mycetocytes, oinocytes, urate. Okay. Question number 50. Part of fungal hyphae known to occur inside cortical cells is inside endomycorrhiza. Question number 51. The regulations of gene expressions in eukaryotes occurs at the level of transcription level, processing level, translational level, but not transport of ribosomal subunits from the nucleus to cytoplasm. Question of 52. Plant growth is open-ended, intrinsic, localized. I think all of these correct are. Question of 53. When a cross is made between cross are Question number 54. The kangaroo shows long-term adaptations by using its tail as fifth limb. Question number 55. River dolphin is the national aquatic animals of India. Question number 56. Bt toxins are intracellular crystalline proteins. Question number 57. Water in the xylem vessels of a tall tree is pulled. Question number 58. Cyclosporin A is obtained through the fermentation activity of a fungus because it has immunosuppressive but no antifungal property. Question number 59. The oxygen in H2O produced during ATC comes from oxygen. Question number 60. In a fertilized embryo sac, the haploid, diploid and triploid structures synergy, zygote, and primary endosperm nucleus. Question number 60. Not present in monocotyledons. Option number B is not. Question number 62. Which can readily respires without oxygen? Saccharomyces because it's anaerobic. Question number 63. During HIV infections, the glycoprotein molecules present on envelope of virus help in attaching CD4 receptors of helper T cells are present in helper T cells. This is present in HIV virus. This type proteins are found. Question number 64. Largest family of angiosperm is Compositae. Question number 65. The rate of heartbeat is maximum in mouse because mouse's BMR is high. A smaller organism has highest BMR than larger. Question number 66. Secondary productivity is the rate of productions of organic matter by consumers. Question number 67. In humans, Kuru disease is caused by an infectious protein particles. Question number 68. Choose incorrect. Dominance is not an autonomous features of a gene. In case of codominance, the F1 generations resembled either of two parents. This is not correct. Question number 69. Due to which hormones deficiency in childhood impaired body growth, mental development, and a reduced metabolic rate is caused? Thyroxine. Question number 70. Incorrect. All coenzymes are cofactor, but all cofactor are not coenzymes. Correct. But all enzymes without exceptions use cofactors for their activities, and इसमें there are lots of exceptions are found. Question number 71. Endometrium is thickest on 23rd day. Question number 72. Out of the following, which one is a mitogen? Insulin. Question number 73. The fangs of snakes are modified into maxillary teeth. Question number 74. Due to the disorder in which part is a metastatic cancerous tumors termed sarcoma, fibroblast. Question number 75. Ovary is inferior in guava. Question number 76. Destructions of the anterior horn cells of the spinal cord would result in loss of voluntary motor impulses. Question number 77. Embryo sac ovule pollen grain anther. Question number 78. Correct statements are choose. The atrial natriuretic factor is secreted by atrial walls of heart and it decreases blood pressures. Question number 79. Direct given in NCERT diagram. Flat disc shaped cisternae are concentrically arranged near the nucleus. Okay. The cis and trans phase are entirely different but interconnected. Phase C principally performs the functions of packaging materials for intracellular targets or are secreted outside the cells. In the animal cell, it is the site of steroid hormone synthesis. No. Question number 80. Coelom is absent in which animals? Taenia, no. Ascaris, earthworm, cockroach. Question number 81. Out of the following, which one is an incorrect statement regarding inulin? Any carbohydrate, okay. Inulin is used for the measuring glomerular filtration rate. It is found in roots and tubers of Dahlia. High content. Okay. Option C. It is readily metabolized in our body. No. It is storage polysaccharides of fructose. Question number 82. Fitness is the end result of the ability to adopt and get selected by nature's complete the statements with an appropriate word in fitness. Question number 83. Out of the following statements, select the incorrect. Average temperature decreases progressively from plains to the mountain tops. Average temperature decreases progressively from the equators towards the poles. The temperatures affects the kinetics of the enzymes and through it the basal metabolisms of organisms. Question number 84. Diplontic life cycle is found in all seeds bearing plants. In Pinus, both male cones and female cones are present on same tree. Okay. Male gamete of Pinus are biflagellate. No. In Pinus, pollination takes place at 3-cell stage. No. Question number 85. Morgan carried out several dihybrid cross in the fruit fly and found that the strength of linkage between genes of the white eye and the miniature wing is lower than genes of the yellow body and white eye. Question number 86. What is the dividing of the lamina up to halfway in a multicostate veined leaf called palmatifera? palmatified. Question number 87. Plasmodium, the malarial parasites belong to class Sporozoa. Question number 88. For which other genetic disorders are molecular probes used? Duchenne muscular dystrophy, cystic fibrosis, Tay Sachs disease. आई थिंक ड्यूचेन मस्कुलर डिस्ट्रॉफी एनसीईआरटी में दिया है और ताइसेक्स सिस्टिक फाइब्रोसिस दिया है ताइसेक्स आई थिंक दिस इज नॉट गिवन. फिर क्वेश्चन नंबर 89. अ स्मॉल रीजन ऑन द रेटिना ऑफ द आई विच कंटेन्स ओनली cones is called fovea centralis. Question number 90. Select from the following the correct options for isotopes used to prove semi-conservative mode of DNA replications of DNA N14 to N15. इस प्रकार आपके 90 क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट होते हैं. I hope everybody like about this video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for this video.